Hello, everyone. My name is Philip Boyle, and I'm going to start by telling you a little bit about myself. Um, First of all, I began my career in Homer Volunteer Fire Department. That's pictured down here in the lower left-hand corner. Began as an EMT1, firefighter 1, and kind of worked my way up into a firefighter EMT3. After that, I worked remote medical for a couple of different companies. Got laid off, decided to go get my paramedic. Once I had finished with my paramedic, decided to move over to North Dakota. Worked for two ambulance services over there, Mercer County Ambulance and Metro Area Ambulance. Got a little bit of experience underneath my feet before kind of moving back up to Alaska and continuing on with Kachemak Emergency. While I was doing my paramedic, I did stay involved with the fire department. Got on with the local fire department there, which is Weed Fire. They kind of handle the training for all of the local CAL FIRE guys. After we moved back to Alaska, I ended up getting involved with Kachemak Emergency Services down here in Homer, and then became a firefighter 2 and a paramedic for them. Right now, I'm a volunteer for them due to some family issues, which I'll go over here in just a few moments. As far as the education goes, I have my associates in merit in paramedicine from the College of the Siskiyous. I'm a nationally registered paramedic and Alaska MICP. I have my multi-level EMS instructor, and I'm currently working on getting my fire service instructor, but the paperwork is a little bit of a pain in the butt. As far as my direction, I'd like to stay within the fire department, kind of climbing up the ladder, becoming an officer, and eventually, way down the line, looking into chief level officer. If that doesn't work out, I have played a little bit into the FEMA arena doing disaster training and disaster response. And so I kind of have looked into the possibility of doing that. But I'm not closed into anything specific. It's whatever the future brings, and it is going to bring me the most amount of joy going forward. I'm kind of open to anything. A little bit about me. Most of my time is spent with my family. I have my wife there, and we have two biological kids, the two on the lower left-hand corner. They're grown up. Unfortunately, I covered up my son's face there. And then we're adopting two girls. They're the lower center there with the cat, and they've kind of ended up taking up a bunch of my free time now is spent kind of dealing with them, getting them to all the appointments that they need to, and kind of doing that. That's about it. I'm looking forward to working with you guys, and have a good rest of your 15 weeks.